This is code.org, and we're going to investigate and modify. Experiment with the program by making the following modifications. Go to the Document tab, find the document for Painter, look at Take Paint method. What does the method do? Documentation here, guys. Documentation is super important. Professional programmers do use it. Org.code.neighbor, Painter is what we're looking for, and the Take Paint right here. Take Paint takes paint from the paint bucket. Object is currently standing on, so we have to be standing on, and adds a single unit of paint. Let's go look at the method signature, and by that, that's a fancy way of me saying this. So, take paint. And this explains it again, and this shows us a use case, which is great. So it uses dot notation, which again, that's a fancy way of saying it has a period after the object to run this method. Cool. Okay, so what's it going to ask us to do? Try calling take paint method 3 times to take all the paint from the last paint bucket. Okay, so let me speed this up. This looks like the code from last time. Okay, so from this bucket right here, add your code to take paint from the bucket. And so we have a great example here. Ella is our current painter, right there. And so I just need to write ella.takePaint. Now I'm going to do a Control C, honestly, and a Control V, Command C, Command V to make this faster. You want to be careful about notation, right? Make sure you have the capital P or the camel case here. Make sure you have parentheses and semicolons. That should have us go ahead and take this paint. And we can't see because we're sitting on top of the paint bucket. But we can see that it disappears, right? So there used to be, maybe I should run this slower. See the paint bucket and it disappeared. So, quapow. Good. Simple enough. Onward. Onward.